Good morning, happy Saturday morning, December 16th. Welcome to my channel. It's Denise with Lollipop Love. We're going to watch Jenny unbox day 16. The presents are looking really low now. Wait, we got 9 left. Got a lot of stuff though. So, I'm not sure what this feels foamy. So I don't know what that means or what that could be. Feels like foam. I don't know, but we'll find out. Let's see what she's wearing today, because we have to see what she's wearing today, of course. Love to see that. I don't think anything beat gangsta rapper. Okay.
Good morning, everybody. It is day 16.
It's the best.
And December
Christmas
16th in our
fest.
house means something really special.
Uh-oh.
It's Ron's birthday
Oh,
today.
happy birthday,
anyway,
Ron.
let's see what we have today for day 16.
Day 16.
All right, here it is.
She always has those pretty
And
pillows.
let's see here.
She's got that
Don't quite remember
purse
what's
back there,
inside.
too.
Oh, yes, I do. Yes, I do remember. So I love these. These are Swedish dishcloths, and they're like a sponge that's flat like a washcloth. And so you can get a lot of cleaning and washing done, but we've done them for you in quilty patterns. I love these. So this one says, quilting forever, housework whenever. Ron, I got you a birthday present. Come on in. Look, it's dishcloth, so you can do the dishes.
They match the dishes,
Happy
actually, with the same
birthday.
colors of the dishes
Day
we got.
16.
Okay. They match the plates. See our plates? Let's see if they're the same. Yeah. They even have the same quilt patterns on them. So it's stuff for your kitchen. She said it's dishwasher safe, machine washable, reusable, durable, absorb 16 times its weight, lasts more than 6 months. She say they're scrub pads? I mean, I think they're cute. They're cute to clean your kitchen up if you not to clean your kitchen up, to put in your kitchen with the plates. I don't think this is probably one that I'm less excited about. I've probably, out of all of them, and we've been up to 16. This is probably one I'm less excited about. But it's been a great box. And, you know, I'm not going to be super excited about every single one of them, but I really have been. Other than this, because I don't like to clean. Who likes to clean? Well, some people like to. It's not my favorite thing. This will be like my husband getting me silverware for Christmas. But, I mean, it's cute. I mean, it is cute. Quilting forever, housework whenever. We actually got a, in the box I got that had, this is my second box. In the box I got before that had, I'm not sure which one it was, but it had this in it that we made, this pin cushion. And it had this in it that we made. And it had Check the Duck in the, I had Check the Duck in the snow globe that's up there. It came with the dish towel that said that, and I did use that in the kitchen. But I'm not happy about cleaning pads. It just doesn't make me happy. But tell me what you think. What do y'all think? There's 2 of them. They're stiff. They've got like scrubby material, I guess, on the back. Not my favorite. But that's okay, considering I've got 15 of my favorites before this. I consider this a pretty good box. Awesome box, actually. I actually like it better than the first box I got, which it wasn't last year's. It might have been the years before. But yes, super excited about the box. This one, I don't know. Oh well, we'll see what we get tomorrow. So come back tomorrow. We'll watch Jenny again. See what we get. So we've had 1 out of 15 has been woohoo. 16. It's okay. It's okay. Not hating it, but it's okay. So y'all don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on my face. Hit that subscribe button. Somewhere down there is going to be my face. You can just click on it. Click that button. And when I get to 500, we'll do a free giveaway. And thank you guys for watching. And we'll see you shortly. Bye-bye.